Welcome to 15005 Palomino Mesa Road. I'm Adiana Schwartz with the Schwartz Realty Group, and I'm so excited to bring you this just listed property with one of the best locations in all of 4S Ranch. Located just steps away from the award-winning Stone Ranch Elementary School, the Boys and Girls Club and Community Pool, the 4S Ranch Sports Park Complex, and one of 5 parks that the community has to offer. This meticulously maintained home boasts an open concept floor plan with 4 bedrooms, an additional office nook, and a spacious and serene master bedroom suite. Enjoy neighboring tree-lined streets and a tranquil private backyard setting. Look no further, this home has it all. A fantastic location, wonderful community amenities, and a beautiful move-in ready home. I'm Adiana Schwartz with the Schwartz Realty Group. Please call our office for more information. Thanks for watching.